Welcome. If you want to clean storage in your ALCATEL FreeV, let's go for the settings. Right now you have to scroll down and enter the storage, the smart manager, tap on the storage right here, click on the free up space, and as you can see we selected the downloaded files that we are not using and also the infrequently used apps, right? So select all of them, click free up, confirm with the remove. We don't want to turn it on automatically, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!